Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money on social media. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking to earn money through social media platforms? In this ultimate guide, we'll show you how to make money on social media by selling products or services, promoting affiliate products, creating and selling online courses, accepting sponsored posts, and becoming a social media influencer. First, it's important to identify your target audience and pick the right social media platform for your business. The first way you can make money on social media is by selling products or services. This can be done in a number of ways, such as setting up an online store on your social media platform of choice, or using your social media presence to drive traffic to an existing online store. To be successful, post pictures and videos of the product in use, and share informative blog posts and articles about it. Use hashtags to reach a wider audience, and run ads targeting potential customers. Another way to make money on social media is by promoting affiliate products. This involves partnering with a company or individual who sells products or services that are relevant to your audience, and sharing links to their products or services on your social media platforms. When someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission from the sale. To be successful with this method, it's important to choose affiliate products that are relevant to your niche, and that you would personally recommend to others. It's also important to build up a strong relationship with your followers so they trust your recommendations. You can also make money on social media by creating and selling an online course teaching people how to do something related to what you're passionate about, anything from cooking recipes from scratch to fixing a car engine. To create and sell an online course, start by planning out the content you want to include. Then, record videos or write out detailed step-by-step instructions for each lesson. Once you have all your content created, you can upload it to a platform like Udemy or Teachable and start promoting it on your social media platforms. Another way to make money on social media is by accepting sponsored posts from companies or individuals who want to promote their products or services on your platforms. This means that they pay you to post content about their products or services on your social media accounts. To be successful with sponsored posts, it's important to only accept sponsored posts from companies or products that align with your values and that your followers would be interested in. Finally, you can make money on social media by becoming a social media influencer. This involves using your social media platforms to gain a large following and then monetizing that following through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and more. To become a social media influencer, focus on building a strong, engaged audience by providing valuable content, engaging with your followers, and consistently posting on your social media platforms. Once you have a sizable following, you can start reaching out to brands and companies to collaborate and make money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and other monetization methods. Remember, making money on social media requires a combination of a solid plan, consistent effort, and engaging content. Identify your target audience, pick the right social media platform, and create high-quality content that will engage your audience and help you achieve your business goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.